Want to create an AWeber sign-up form quickly and without hassle? Stay with me, because I'll walk you through exactly how to do it. Plus, I'll share a better alternative at the end that could save you time and effort. First, log into AWeber and head to the Sign Up Form section. Click Create a Sign-up Form and choose a template. AWeber offers some customization, but honestly, the design options feel outdated compared to newer tools. Next, edit your form fields. You'll want at least name and email, but you can add custom fields too. However, be careful, adding too many can reduce signups. AWeber's customization is decent, but if you need advanced conditional logic, it's limited. Then, set up your thank you page. AWeber lets you use their generic page or redirect users to a custom URL. If you're running a funnel, a custom page is the way to go to keep engagement high. After that, configure email automation. AWeber's automation is basic, good for simple follow-ups, but if you need complex sequences with advanced triggers, other platforms do it better. Now, grab the embed code or use the WordPress plugin to place the form on your site. If you're using an external landing page tool, make sure AWeber integrates properly. This part can get tricky depending on the platform. Final step, *** test everything ***. Fill out the form yourself to ensure emails are delivered and automations work as expected. Sometimes, AWeber emails land in promotions or spam, so tweak your settings if needed. AWeber is solid, but if you want a more modern, feature-packed alternative that makes form building and automation seamless, check out the best free trial in the first link below. It's the one I personally recommend after testing all of them, and through our link, you'll get exclusive benefits only available to our viewers.